Hi, this is the utility I have downloaded from the website. If you are watching this video from YouTube channel, the download link has been given in the description below. And how to activate this utility or register utility, it has also been mentioned there in the link itself. So this is the utility and this is the STAAD file for which we are going to find out the design parameters. Make sure this STAAD file have 3 load cases, that is, first we'll be defining the self weight in negative y direction, second will be defining the self weight in negative x direction, and the third will be self weight in z direction. So 22, 23, 24 are the load cases. And make sure this file is analyzed properly. Mentioned these 3 load cases here. What were the numbers? 22, 23 and 24. And based on the code, you select the parameter cell. My file is for AIC code, so I am going to select LZ, LY and UNT, UNV parameter. Simply click the create parameter button here. If you are working on the trial version, will pop up and say the days remaining for your trial version. Click OK and proceed. Make sure that the structure is analyzed and correct load case numbers are mentioned in B10, 11 and 12. For these load cases, this message is asking for. Then click proceed. The base unit set in STAAD is metric, hence parameters will be generated in meters. Click OK. Here you can see the approximate estimated time is 0.81 minutes. It's combining all the information about the members of the STAAD, and it will combine as the strings of the members in respective column direction, that means y direction, x direction and z direction. It will break the members as per the design parameter requirement. Done. Click OK and see the parameters has been generated and placed in this sheet. Okay, so these are the parameters. So let's have a check. Just I will minimize this window, or you can say just make it a little bigger. This I don't need. I will open Excel file and keep this Excel file just beside the STAAD file. So the beauty of this utility is you can check the parameter directly from the Excel itself. You need not to copy these all strings of parameters in STAAD file and check the parameters with respect to STAAD. So you can click here and the respective member and the parameters will be displayed here. Whenever you click your cursor, those members which are having parameters will be highlighted. Same for DJ1 and DJ2 also. Now this parameter need not to be copied and pasted in editor file. Here the button is given. You can directly export this parameter to the STAAD file itself. If you want to see, go to the design tab, and I can see there are no parameters in these parameter blocks. No LZ, LY is mentioned, and in second parameter block, no DJ1, DJ2. So start exporting this directly from the Excel itself. I will click export STAAD. Enter the correct parameter block in which you want to export this LY and LZ. So parameter block is 1 and then export. See, the parameters automatically has been exported to the file. Similarly for deflection parameters. Parameter 2. No need not to be selected parameter. You have to mention the correct number of the parameter block here. Export, and for this design parameter we have to select parameter number 2. click and check. Yes, DJ1 DJ2 also imported successfully in your STAAD file. So in this way you can minimize your work, increase your accuracy, and start designing your structure. Thanks for watching.